morning students. My name is Dr. Shalini Sharma. I'm working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics in Government College, Faridabad. Today our topic is finite difference operators. Let we have a function y is equal to f of x. So corresponding for every value of x, that means what we are talking about, corresponding for every value of x, there exist one or more values of y. Clear? Now since our topic is finite difference, we shall be talking about operators afterwards. What is finite difference? The calculus of finite difference deals with the changes in the function with respect to the value of the independent variable. आगे बढ़ने से पहले what we are going to do is we shall be studying some of the definitions, some of the terms which we are going to use it. So very first of all we have the word as argument and entry. Argument and entry. Let f of x be my given function. Let f of x be a given function. The independent variable x is called the argument, and the value which you get, we name it as entry. Now the second one, we have interval of differencing. Interval of differencing. What does this mean? This means the difference between the two consecutive values of x is called the interval of differencing. इसमें consecutive word is more important. जब भी आपको values दी जाएंगी तो आपको consecutive terms ही लेने हैं. After this, first we have argument and entry. Second we have interval of differencing. And third, now we are moving to the operator term. So first operator we are going to have it as forward operator. What is forward operator? We are going to talk about the forward operator. Let y is equal to f of x be my given function. We defined forward operator as del of f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Now students, this h is my interval of differencing. Interval of differencing. Right? And this operator, this particular part, इसको हम forward operator कहते हैं. Forward operator. Clear? After this, forward we have backward. Forward पढ़ा है तो backward भी पढ़ेंगे. Forward में हम plus करते हैं, backward में हम minus करेंगे. So what is my backward operator? Same story. Let y is equal to f of x be my given function. Backward operator is defined as like this: f of x minus f of x minus h. Same concept, same principle. H is my interval of differencing. Interval of differencing, and this is my backward operator. बच्चे इसमें ये फॉर्मूला ये सारे के सारे आपको याद रखने हैं. These are very very important. Clear? Next we have, now what we have studied is argument, then entry, then interval of differencing, forward operator, backward operator. Next we proceed to our next operator, which is shift operator. Then we have fifth one, shift operator. बच्चे शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर को हम लिखते हैं ई से, ठीक। I'll write it down here, sum it up what we have studied. We have studied argument first, then entry, then forward operator, fourth backward operator, fifth shift operator. Now what is my shift operator? Shift operator, it's very simple. Again, let y is equal to f of x be my given function, e of f of x, यानी कि shift operator हम ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं अपने फंक्शन पे. This gives me f of x plus h. Clear यहाँ तक? Similarly, we are talking about its inverse also. This is my shift operator. When we talk about its inverse, f of x gives me f of x minus h. Shift operator के दो parts, shift operator and its inverse. This is its inverse and this is my shift operator. Okay. Now after shift operator, we are left with two more definitions. First is central difference operator and last we have an average operator. So what is my central difference operator? Central difference operator. Central करते हैं बच्चे. Central difference operator is defined with the term mu. Mu of f of x is equal to f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. Here again, h is my interval of differencing, mu is my central operator. What is h? This is interval of differencing. Mu is central operator. These terms and terminologies we are going to use in our upcoming chapters and they are very important. They play an extremely important role in our further upcoming calculations also. Now after central operator we are left with last and also important topic. This is my average operator. Now we have already studied about our average in our previous classes. Basic classes में हम पढ़कर क्या आते थे, हम निकालते थे average height कितनी है क्लास में बच्चों की, average marks कितने हैं हमारे, या हमारे जो बाकी बच्चों के साथ सबका average निकालने के बाद used to calculate who is getting the maximum, minimum and so and so. Same यहाँ पे average operator means we are going to take the average of the two functions. That means we are going to write mu of f of x is equal to half times f of x plus h by 2 plus f of x minus h by 2. Now where here again h is interval of differencing, interval of differencing, and mu is my average operator. Mu is my average operator. Now what you have to remember is central operator जब हम calculate करते हैं तो हमारे पास half नहीं होता, यहाँ पे minus का sign होता है, right? And when you calculate the average operator, you take two of the functions, add them up and divide it by 2. So this is my average operator. Now just to recall what we have studied today in the definitions is, first is my argument, then entry, then forward operator, backward operator, shift operator के दो parts, उसका हमने पढ़ा एक E और एक पढ़ा E inverse. Then we went through central difference operator and finally average operators. तो ये हमारी बेसिक डेफिनेशंस हैं, बेसिक आपके टर्म्स हैं जिनका कि हम यूज करेंगे अपने आने वाले टॉपिक्स में. सो यू हैव टू लर्न देम, मेमोराइज देम ऑन योर टिप्स व्हेनेवर वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट. ये सारी चीजें आपको आने. वी शैल बी मीटिंग इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.